is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and today we've got a very special manicure for a very special lady. It is Sassy Family's birthday. So I would like you all to go in with me and to wish Sassy a very happy, special, blessed birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sassy. Happy birthday to you. I hope you have a great birthday, honey. I really do. We're going to go in with some stencil glue gel by She Modern. I'm going to, of course, sugar a nail. You know you can't go manicure without a sugar. We're going to do this one here because, well, we just started. I'm going to pop this one in the lamp. Give that one a cure. The other nails here, I want to do a marble effect with white. Then I'm going the white from my card, which I am a brand ambassador for. I will put my code across the bottom of the screen. Also, I'm going to try my very best to put my link in the description box. So please look in the description box for all codes, discount links, everything you need to know. I'm going to do my best. I will also do my best to put Sassy's link first. It'll be very near the top. So I'm using two colors by Beauty. This is the pink will be 428 with the P in front. The purple is P426. And of course I think I said I'm using the white by my cart. So I'm going to do this. Yeah, hopefully a nice thick line here. Give me some white. There we go, a lot of white, hopefully. Some purple or pink. I don't know my colors. Some pink. This is called liquid nail art for those of you that don't know. I'm going to swirl these a bit. I'm going to pick them up with my stamper. There we go, there we go. Got my ice cube stamper by Radiology. This is how I'm going to apply them to the nail. Whoopsie. And you can turn the stamper as you do that, gets you a cool looking different design. I hope Sassy enjoys this. Pumpkin's Nail Station and I are both doing manicures for Sassy. So go check out Pumpkin's Nail Station and see what she did. Some purple in here. There we go, there we go. Put that here. I'm gonna remove this just for right now. I'm gonna get my sugar nail out of the lamp. Well, we got massive wrinklage. Massive wrinkles. Let's see what I can do about this. See if I can press this baby down. Oh my goodness, I think not. Let me pause and get us another nail. We are back. We have got us a brand new nail with no wrinklage. Wrinklage? Is that the right word? Can't have a wrinkled nail for Sassy's birthday. Just can't have it. So I've got all the nails in the lamp. They're all curing together. The marbling and the sugar nail. We have got that with the sheet metal glue gel. We are going to use the pink and the purple hollow glitter sugar nail. Sugar crush. This is no longer available. This is a discontinued product that Sassy and I both have. So when that comes out of the lamp, that's what we're going to be doing, mixing the two colors together, hopefully, and coming up with a beautiful, beautiful nail. We're going to be adding some bling and a couple of flowers on the nails that I did the liquid nail art on. And then I'm going to be using my Modelones rhinestone glue to hold those on. Oh, I can't wait, I can't wait. So everyone head over to Sassy's page, wish her a happy birthday, head over to Pumpkin's channel, and see her manicure for Sassy's birthday. So here are the 3 nails fresh out of the lamp. I think those are beautiful. These turned out really, really well. Here is our sugar nail. Now these are free pouring nails. Free pouring nails. Oh my goodness, I can't talk. Free pouring bottles. So make sure you get your whole nail covered. A little goes a long way, but you want to make sure your nail is covered. Make sure you get the tip and your edges. I think that's gonna look. Oh, let me get the side over here. And get a little bit more pink. Woo. Okay, so we are going to rub the 2 colors together. Look at that. I think that looks really cool. So I'm going to stick this back in the lamp as I always do. Tap, tap, tap. Stick her back in the lamp. Okay, now what are we going to do here? Set these off to the side. This nail, I think, is where I'm going to put my flowers. So I need my rhinestone glue. I got a pink and a white flower. So I'm going to try to get like a generous amount here. And put it over the whole corner of the nail. And what am I going to do? I'm going to stick her in the lamp. There we go. Now we're going to stick her in the lamp. Give this a full cure. Do not let the nail fall over. I think this is just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. What do you think? Uh-oh. There we go. There's those nails together. We've got one in the lamp. And you need some top coat. So I can put me on some bling. Make sure you get your side walls. Cuticle to tip. And let me see here. Whoopsie, whoopsie. I'm gonna pour me some of my blue out. I do want to add some blue gems. Dump these right up next to it. And then whoopsie. Stick one up here. What do you think? Think Sassy will like that? I sure hope so. So I'm going to stick this in the lamp. I'm going to hold it in here for just about 5 seconds. Give it a flash cure. And then turn the lamp on. Whoops. For 60. Here's our flower nails. I'm now going to top coat these. Get up here. Get some of my blue ones. I hope you can see. Oh my. There we go. Gonna top that one on the lamp as well. And our last and final nail. Give your nails a nice glossy top coat. Yes. Well, don't spill it all over your mat like I just did though. Good gracious. And this is gonna flop over at me. Goodness, goodness, goodness. What did I do in another nail? There we go. Let's top this one in the lamp. Okay, here we are. We are back. We are done with Sassy Fantasies manicure. I hope she thoroughly likes and enjoys this. I think this turned out really beautiful. The marbling, the sugar nail, I think it was really super cool the way it came out. We've got our flowers for her birthday and some bling. Hope she likes this. Happy birthday, Sassy. You are loved by many and respected in the nail community. We hope you have a great, great day for your birthday. Probably wondering why I have a glove on. Well, I got no polish on these nails. Just the sand. This is Mermaid by Sinful Collection. This is an older color. Anyways, that's why I have the glove on. Subscribe to my channel. Turn the notification bell on. Please go do so for Sassy's Fantasies page as well as Pumpkins. Don't forget to go view Pumpkins' video. We would all greatly, greatly appreciate the support from all of you. It is so greatly appreciated. I can't even begin to tell you. Without you, there'd be no us. So that is our video for today. Please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up on the video. Go visit everyone and show your love and support. Have a blessed day and thank you.